The Kawasaki KX 500 is a legend in the world of motocross. Known for its power, raw performance, and dominance in off-road racing, the KX 500 is a machine that has left a lasting legacy in motocross history. Today, we're going to take a closer look at why the Kawasaki KX 500 is considered one of the greatest two-stroke dirt bikes ever made. Design and build. The KX 500 features a robust and aggressive design, built to withstand the toughest motocross conditions. Its lightweight frame, combined with a powerful two-stroke engine, allows for exceptional agility on the track. The high-performance suspension system is designed for maximum stability, whether you're jumping over whoops or handling tight turns. This bike was built with purpose, focused on durability and performance, making it a beast in the motocross world. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KX 500 is its 499 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine. Known for its raw power, this bike delivers an explosive two-stroke kick, making it one of the most powerful motocross machines of its time. The KX 500 produces a whopping 62 horsepower, which, when paired with its lightweight frame, results in a bike that is fast, aggressive, and ready for anything. Whether you're racing on a track or riding in rough terrain, the KX 500's engine provides the necessary torque and acceleration to tackle any obstacle. Handling and suspension. The KX 500 is all about handling. With its long travel suspension system, it soaks up bumps and absorbs shocks with ease. Kawasaki's advanced technology in its front and rear suspension ensures that the bike remains stable at high speeds and under heavy impacts. The combination of the responsive rear shock and front forks allows for better cornering and jump landings, giving riders the confidence to push the bike to its limits on any course. Durability and maintenance. One of the key factors that riders appreciate about the KX 500 is its durability. Kawasaki designed this bike to handle the harsh conditions of motocross racing. While two-stroke engines typically require more frequent maintenance, the KX 500 is known for holding up well with proper care. Its solid construction and reliable components make it a durable machine capable of withstanding the rigors of competition and rough terrain. Legacy and impact. The Kawasaki KX 500 is often regarded as one of the most influential two-stroke bikes ever built. In its prime, the KX 500 was a dominant force in motocross and supercross, winning numerous championships and earning respect from riders and enthusiasts worldwide. Its reputation as a powerful, aggressive bike helped set a benchmark for two-stroke performance, inspiring future dirt bikes and riders. Conclusion. The Kawasaki KX 500 is a true motocross legend. Its raw power, exceptional handling, and legacy in the racing world make it a standout in the history of dirt bikes. Whether you're a motocross enthusiast or a collector, the KX 500 remains an iconic machine that can't